The Nokia X200 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most powerful flagship concepts ever imagined, combining next-level performance with true ultra-premium hardware. It features a stunning 144Hz QHD plus OLED display that delivers razor-sharp visuals and silky smooth scrolling, making everything from gaming to everyday use feel incredibly fluid. Powering the device is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor paired with a massive 32 GB of RAM, ensuring blazing fast speed and flawless multitasking. For storage, the X200 Ultra packs an unbelievable 2 TB capacity, giving users more than enough room for apps, videos, and professional-grade files. Photography is taken to new heights with a 400MP camera system designed for extreme clarity, detail, and low-light performance. And with its huge 8,500 mAh battery, supported by 90W fast charging, the phone promises exceptional endurance with quick top-ups. Altogether, the Nokia X200 Ultra stands out as a true monster flagship built for users who want maximum power in every category.